And they also have the science experiment set. AI, and you can put it inside the toy. It looks more real, and they're actually cooking with it. Hi everyone, this is Isa. Right now I'm in Shenzhen, China, and I'm about to attend an exhibition for toys. So if you are working in toys industry, keep watching this video. This video will include the prices. So let's go.
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Can you hit my... Oh, okay.
Can shoot away to 8 to 9 meter. Its price is more than 100 RMB. Oh, you can put it inside the toy. It's AI, and you can put it inside the toy.
And we are also can support the screen display. Yes, and the GPIO controller. And control the dog to move.
This is the DIY nightlight, and they also have the science experiment set. Different kind. Opening the set, it looks like this. It has this. It has this small parts, and they will also give you this kind of book. It can be in English. So the price is really nice. It's with 9 RMB. This one. It has the target set. It has the smaller one, and it has the big one like this. Here's another archery toy. The great thing is the arrows aren't shaped, so it's safer and more kid-friendly. I want to try.
Oh, yeah.
I also took their catalog. I think they have lots of nice products. This booth features all kinds of toy pets. Over here is a bird that reacts in different ways whenever I touch it. And this is the rabbit magic toy. It comes with a magic wand, and when you bring the wand close to the rabbit, its ears start to wiggle.
I'm recording. 3 seconds after. Hello. Our booth. Children can be mother and feel it. You can put her here. Stand.
It can stand on your neck.
Check out this pony toy. It even has a little leash so kids can take it for a stroll just like a real pony. And here's a puppy that comes in its own bag, also with a leash, so kids can carry their pup around and walk it wherever they go.
It's a bag, and at the same time, it's a toy.
Lucy.
Have some dinosaur. This one.可以吸东西的。它这个是配套的吗？还是？
对，有配套，这个有配套。
We have this bigger snake. No. And someone is doing live stream over here.
当我们打开之后，是它只铺在此都是可以放在网上。哇，好看啊！是 beautiful。
Thank you.
来，对吧？这是
79 RMB this one.
但是给大家看的是2位数，不是这么大的冰淇淋2位数以下吗？2位数
This book mainly features tabletop board game.
It's about 23 RMB. 踢球的，
对，踢球2个人。
哦，这样的啊。 I think. Oh, it's really beautiful.
This equipment can categorize toy parts by color and shape, count how many parts there are, and separate out any defective pieces. They have an eagle-shaped drone. It's really cool because when it's flying up high, people from a distance might think it's a real eagle. They also have drones in various shapes like planes and fighter jets.
They have this kind of makeup toys. Makeup toys, is this real? Yeah, those are real, but this is not. Wow. Oh wow. Have the glitter, makeup brushes. Let's take a look to the inside.
指甲油
I think the most interesting thing about this toy is that it comes loaded with real makeup, no plastic pretended stuff, so kids can actually use it like their own cosmetic, and the toy will be more fun for
They
them.
also have this kind of ink toys.
It features a mist spray function and can also shoot water beads.
Hello?
5 kilogram. The speed is 15 km. They're selling the magic product with the course. Wow.
This one is a magic box set. It comes with all the tools inside it and also includes a book that teaches the kids how to do the magic tricks. This set contains 399 particle magic tricks.
So you always 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is magic sponge heart. 2 hearts. 2 hearts. 1, 2. Close your hand. Close. Okay, see inside. Open your hand.
This one looks more real. And they're actually cooking with it. Oh yeah. I can eat one. Yeah, it's for kids. They actually cook with it, but it's toys for kids. It's a set like this one. They have the different sets with different price. This one is bigger. That's interesting. I mean, they have lots of kitchen toys, but this is the one that you can actually cook with it. And they have the certification that it can prove that safe. So they have a smaller package. It can make it more cost effective while you are shipping it. Yeah. How to DIY? You see? Oh wow! Yeah. This one is different.
Yeah, you can make the food to get the more time. And also the new items.
New items.
It can walk forwards and backwards.
In China,
Yeah. In Shenzhen.
in Shenzhen,
Yeah. Where is your manufacturer?
in Shangtou, here have the water. Then when you see,
Oh yeah.
yeah,
This country?
yeah.
Oh, sorry. They also have the mirror.
我们是做哪个？
So this is the end of the video. In next video, we are going to visit Canton Fair together. If you also want to see that, remember to subscribe my channel. This is Aisha. If you want to buy it from China, feel free to contact me. Bye bye.